Well, this is episode 1, guys. RV cooking with the Gold Whisperer, Jeremy. Yeah, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, one thing I will tell you about RV cooking is it's quite challenging. So, the main thing is really challenging because you don't have much fun area to work in. You got your fridge, you got your stove, and you got your sink, which is served as a counter too. So, it's really not that much room. Got a good cupboard, nice microwave, everything going on here. So, let's start this dish. Now, a lot of people use this thing. It's really loud. I don't like it. So, and I don't really need that at the moment. So, what we're going to do, I'm going to fire up this thing. Let's see if we can get some action going on here. Yes. Alright. I'm doing this single-handedly, guys. This is a nice, what we're doing is a good cube steak. And I got some broccoli chopped up. And actually I got sweet potatoes here, Japanese sweet potatoes. Some onions. Some really super long Thai chilies. And some good garlic. And then I got a little bit of olive oil here. This beautiful thing. Let's open it up. I'm doing this all one-handed, people. It's awesome. A little bit of olive oil in there. Alright. And then I'm going to get our garlic in there. I mean our onions in there. Sorry about that. Garlic is after a little while. I'm just going to pop them in the pan. And I want to put these in right now. These are sweet potatoes, and so they're going to take a while to cook, so I want to put them right in with the onions, and they're just nice. A little sweetness to the dish. Alright, good. Broccoli leaf in there, and I do want to add my little chilies. Alright, I'm going to cook this up on its own for a little bit. Good thing about this stove is it does get really hot when you want to get a nice good fry on something. Don't take too long. While we're waiting on this, well, I think we're just going to have to wait on this. I only got one hand to cook with. Actually, I'm going to be smart about this, and I will shut the camera down for a few seconds, and then once I get this puppy done, 5-10 minutes, then I'll go ahead and add our garlic and our meat. I'm going to cook that, and at the very end I'll throw in some broccoli, and I'm going to do just a simple salt and pepper seasoning on them. We'll be done cooking. Nice and simple. And the thing is, like I said, you do want to be nice and clean in your RV. You want to be organized and just try to, do it up without making a humongous disaster. You kind of got to do it simply. I'm only one person here right now, so it's pretty easy for one person. Making nice cooked small portions. So, alright. Be back in a few minutes and we'll see the progression of this little dish. And I'll let you know if it came out good. Yeah, already cooking. In the middle of the night, cooking in the RV. That's right. A little salt and pepper. So make it a nice little brown on here. Soften these spuds up. Oh, there you go. Oop, we'll put that there. And wait a few more minutes. Alright, we got some action going on in the kitchen. Got 2 steaks in, like the sweet potatoes and the onions on the side with the chilies and the garlic. And now we're gonna wait for our broccoli, and that's really about it. Nice simple little dish. Now, things I don't know really. Make things a little easy. And got a fork right there. It's gonna be time to cook these veggies. Yeah. Look at that. Nice and easy. So good brown. Those are looking great. And garlic is looking great. Got salt and pepper on that. Maybe give them a little cook. These were some beautiful peppers. Look how big they are. I was really impressed by these. Very much. And this spicy. This is looking quite good. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, these peppers look like they are ready to cook. Put them over. Okay. So these potatoes up there. Oh, and potatoes are going to be good. It's actually a Japanese purple sweet potato organic. Really good. Alright. Now let's go ahead and add our broccoli. Let's add a little bit of juice. And this to it. And then we're just going to wait. And we'll have a nice, somewhat healthy dinner. And oh yeah, just because I can't stand to waste a good chili, we're popping it in there. It's going in. Beautiful. Oh wow. I'll let you know how it tastes. We're getting close, guys. Gentlemen and ladies. Family's RV Cooking Show. Episode number 1. And I do want to show, like, this is an informative thing about when you're cooking in an RV. Shut the pan. You know, just right off the bat, it starts getting dirty. So you want to just, you know, clean up as you go. Obviously, you can't clean under there. You will drop some stuff, like that just happened to me. Yeah. You're going to have to clean up, but it's good to clean it right away. When you're done cooking, stove cooled off, clean it up, then you always have a really nice stove. It's a trick to keeping a nice stove. It's just to clean it right off the bat. So, once it is done, I can clean up what I made my food tonight. I think it's going to be pretty tasty. Pretty simple. Looks good. Not too greasy. Just coming out good. There's my chili in there. Extra corn. Sweet potatoes. Oh yeah. It's actually going to be pretty tasty. 2 sets are totally done, but just going to let it cook for a little bit longer. Whoop. Whoop, guys, I just had to do it. I threw some butter in that puppy and cooking her up, and she looks almost done. Well, just a few more little stirs of this. Broccoli is almost nice. Chili's nice. Cool. Breaks on it, baby on the meat. Sweet potatoes look good. Yeah. Deglaze it a little bit with the broccoli and stuff. We're almost done. Time to eat. I went ahead and deglazed the pan with just a little bit of water. That's going to help bring in some more moisture into this puppy. Don't want it to be super dry. And help finish off these broccolis. Yeah, just about nicely done. Okay. Don't know what name we give this just, guys, other than cube steak and the RV. Alright. That's RV cooking with Garen. And I hope you enjoy the video. Alright. Well, it's all done. Let's see what it's like. Oh man, that is tender. That cube steak is good. Alright. Wow. Incredibly tender. I'll go for a sweet potato, see what that's like. Oh wow, soft, juicy. This is really sweet. It's good. If you like sweet stuff, that's actually good. No, people don't really like sweet stuff, but I like it. It was great. A little broccoli. And a nice little piece of the keepsake. That is really good. Delicious. Alright, now we gotta go for this guy. Well, I'm totally shocked. That was not a spicy chili. It was a sweet chili. Man. Well, I guess that is a sweet dish tonight. I thought this time was going to be super spicy. No, it's just super sweet. Man. Totally changed my flavor profile for a second. Anyways, I hope I helped to give you a little bit of an idea of the, space you got to work with when you're cooking an RV. It's not very easy. I have lots more to cook, lots more dishes to come, many things for show. So, I will see you, or you will see me, next time with the next Jeremy's RV Cooking. I have to tell you guys, there is not going to be any leftovers. Stem and all. That was great. Oh, now it is getting spicy. So it was a spicy pepper, guys. It was definitely spicy. Wow. I just ate the wrong part. Man, burn it up.